And this evening we have the Penny Laredo kids. They're in here playing. Whoop! Wee boy. There we go. Here they are. Say hi, guys. Say hello. Okay. That was a big hello. And then there's a couple over there just kind of sleeping. I'll try and get some daylight pictures for you guys too. So, we have another one saying hello. They have a tendency to be a little more mouthy. Aren't you? Yeah, baby. What? I hear you. Yeah, you tell them. Yeah, I know. Well, and as you can see, we have the puppy maze, and everybody's somewhere in the living room here. We'll go around this side. Say hello, everybody. Say good night, everybody.